Good morning, happy homeowners. Saturday over here in La Palma, finishing up a job we started Thursday. So getting ready to put the last coat on, getting ready to start polishing it up. Turned out beautiful. We ended up using a golden pecan, I think. Let's go inside and take a look. Look at that. Beautiful. Whew. Here's what it used to look like. Go ahead, Edward. Beautiful. Whew. Kurt.
Yes, sir.
Hey, let me turn this around so I can be in there with you.
Oh, nice.
Hey, tell people how you found us.
I called them. Hey, the best. Punctual, do an excellent job. Price is right.
Appreciate that, because you found us on Google like most people, right?
Yes, yes.
And then what, visited the website, or?
Yeah, I went to the website and then I made a call and left a message. Within an hour, you returned it, and then within another hour we scheduled, and you guys were here a week later.
Yeah, here showed up when we said we were going to. That's important.
Very important. So 7 o'clock, they were up there waiting for me to open the door.
Hey, if anything we could do to make it better.
No.
No, I appreciate it. Hey, man, I think you did. Thanks, sir.
All right, thanks.